I'm Lisa Davies, editor of the Sydney Morning Herald. The Herald has partnered with Informa to present our inaugural Sustainability Summit because we believe the business community is ready to become agents of change and spark the widespread adoption of sustainability commitments across all industries. We know that our readers, also your customers, want decisive action on climate change and environmental protection. So the businesses that will thrive will also be those that understand sustainability is their responsibility.
I'm really proud about the potential to put aside competing with other technology companies and really focus on working together with them, because we all have a common purpose and a common goal to ensure we make this planet better.
Well, increasingly consumers are looking for ways to help tackle climate change through their own actions, and I think what we're most proud of is that we're bringing the power of our network and our data to help consumers understand their impact and changes they can make to save the environment.
Sustainability can't be one person or one department or even one company's job. Only by working together can we come up with the solutions for tomorrow and safeguard the lives and livelihoods of today.
As custodians of the incredible building that is the Opera House, it is our obligation to continue Jorn Utzon's legacy of sustainability, because we have set ourselves as a mission to strengthen and inspire the community in everything we do, and being sustainable certainly does that.
Our summit will showcase sustainability leaders from dozens of industries in a landmark discussion about the future. We want to turn dialogue and discourse into action. I look forward to welcoming you to this exciting event on September the 7th.